Good morning, traders. Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you a daily market bias video for Thursday, July 2nd. It's approximately 4:30 a.m. in the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia traded mainly mixed, if you will. It's been flip-flopping in and out of positive territory. But up until a little while ago, half the exchanges were trading higher and the other half lower. Now it appears as though most of them are trading higher, with the exception of Shanghai, which was traded down somewhat. Currently, right now in Europe, we're seeing pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much mixed, with half the exchanges trading higher, the other half either flat or trading lower. Now, we're going to take a look at more correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of US dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. There is correlation between US dollar and crude as it is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading lower. And the indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading lower. There is no real fear factor as it pertains to the precious metals gold market. Now we're going to take a look at economic news that we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. Given that today is a non-farm payroll day, we do have quite a bit. We do have non-farm employment change out at 8:30, the unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, and we also have employment claims to boot, which is kind of ironic. I don't think I've ever seen that before. At 10 a.m. we have factory orders, and at 10:30 we end to top it all off. We have natural gas storage, which is typically usual and customary for Thursday. As an added caveat, at 11 a.m. we have Mario Draghi from the ECB speaking. In all likelihood, he's going to be talking about the Greek situation or the Greek contagion. All in all, our bias is neutral, and the reason why we're suggesting this is twofold. First and foremost, given that it is a non-farm payroll day, or Jobs Thursday, if you will, our bias would be neutral. For those of you who've been around us for any length of time, you know that 2 days during the course of a month, we always maintain a neutral bias. That would be non-farm payroll and also an FOMC day. We could have a neutral bias on other days as well, depending upon market conditions, but traditionally we generally stick to that rule. The other reason why we're suggesting this is because we see or sense a bit of a confusion, if you will. Case in point, energies is trading low, financials is also trading lower. And whereas the indices are trading higher, they're not trading that high. In all likelihood, this thing should be booming, if you will. Not really very much in the way of follow through, hence a neutral bias. Now, for those of you who are new to us, a neutral bias generally means that the markets could go in any direction. Something to be mindful of trading today. Thanks, hope this helps, and look forward to the next time with you. And oh, by the way, given that tomorrow is a 4th of July holiday, it starts the 4th of July weekend, we wish all of you a safe and happy holiday. Thanks and take care.